All right. It was. Oh, all right. Guess I can give y'all a little light. It it was brighter than this a minute ago. How about that? Okay. So we're going to. Y'all missed a little bit of the work that was done, but it's by no means complete. However, I have decided to skip some of the flyer and creative creation and just focus on the delivery for someone who already has their creative. But right now, I'm going to um, put the custom domain here in invitero.com. Next. So let's go over here. Let's grab that one, go to Cloudflare. Just bought this today. We just came up with this awesome domain name today, specifically for this purpose. Because I got someone who needs this immediately. And I wanted to go ahead and have something that was complete, but that's not going to happen. So we'll settle for, hey, maybe I'll, now let's make it app. App, oh, app dot invite. Nah, this is, make it this. Invitero. I actually love this domain name. Invitero. I was thinking, should I make it app.invitero.com so that I could, yeah, let's do that. And then we gotta add a text record. Oops. Make sure there's no space over there. And now we just wait a few minutes and we'll be able to pull this up with the domain name. Invitero. Well, we also want to put www. Oh, wait a minute. I did the wrong domain name. Let's go back. APP. Oh my goodness. Now we also want to do the www. Or do we? No, we don't. Because we're just doing the app. www is going to point to the same thing as the raw domain points to. I'm tripping. So anyway, let me show you how it looks. I think it's over here. We still got a problem with it giving us the wrong URL for the event. See what that looks like. Nope. However, it's kind of convoluted a little bit, but it is working. You can upload an image. That works. But it's not beautiful or polished because there's really very little design functionality. Create a beautiful fly. That's going to stick the. Oh, yeah, you haven't seen it. The information from the event will go. Yeah, see, there you go. But you have no way to change the colors, none of that. That's why I said it's a long ways to go on that. But for this button, if you have your own creative, which I already uploaded it.
Hola, estás invitado a una celebración tropical. Únete a nosotros para disfrutar de un poco de diversión isleña mientras celebramos.
Now, at the end of the day, when we do go back to creating the creative, and this needs to, okay, so I'm gonna fix this so you can choose where you view the Spanish or, okay, so it needs to be a button for Spanish or English, and then you can choose. So that still solves a good problem because you can send out one creative and the person gets to choose which language they want to see it in. All right, so, but not yet. I just wanted to show you that part. So what I'm trying to see now is what the presentation actually looks like once you share it to somebody, what it looks like. And I can't find out yet because you had to go back out and get this URL to share it, but this does not work, and I don't know what this URL is going to do unless that's one of the shorteners, but it doesn't work anyway. It just says page not connected. So we're waiting for this to propagate, and then I can tell Replit to deal with it and see what happens. Invotero.com. App.invotero.com. Oh yeah. Now we're in business. All right, so now let's just go back in Replit and say, all right, also I want to say, oh, I don't know if this matters actually, but I'll just say, and I want to delete this though. No, I want to delete this one. Unlink. Yes, unlink. And I'm going to say, all right, this is the URL it's using in the deployed version, the Replit. Wait, this is the URL. Oh, I got a picture of that URL that it's using over there. I don't know what it's going to. Oh, man, I didn't mean to send it. I was trying to space down. See what I was using. Oh, it's got it. Nah, it's got the Infotero.com. Yeah, now it's got it. That means your invitation sharing URL will be all right. It's ready. That's what you saying? All right. Okay. Let's redeploy it then. Cause what I just saw. I'm going to force it to answer directly. Oh man, I deployed it. That's what I tried to tell you before. Oh, okay. Yeah. It says it's going to show up in a deployed version. Okay. Let's see. Mm, 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 mm. 851. Man. We're deployed. 3 months. Few. Hey, yo, what? Let's go to this one. I've seen some things move around. Oh, that's what I wanted to ask about. This should switch immediately. Let me sign in. Look at that. That's not working. Preview invite. That'll work. Okay. All right. So let's plug in.
Hola, estás invitado a una celebración tropical. Únete a nosotros para disfrutar de un poco de diversión isleña mientras celebramos el 7º cumpleaños de la princesa. No olvides tu traje de baño y tus zapatos de baile. Vamos a hacer olas y a bailar todo el día. Será un día lleno de risas, juegos y vibras caribeñas. Lugar: Puerto Plata, Torre Alta, calle Amatista.
good. But all right, how is this going to work here? Is this going to be HTML? How exactly is this supposed to work? Oh, okay. You share the. Oh, okay. Now they come back to this. They come back to view this. How exactly does this work? Okay, so you can share a link. Okay, so you're sharing, open, picking out. Always allow us out. API wants to open this application. Selecting out to open this WhatsApp link. Share invite. Let's see what it looks like on the phone. Shadows event. Oh, okay, that's the event. Let me see your phone. On your PC, iPhone. Okay. So, is this part of the app or what? I don't even know what's going on right now. Pair your devices. Oh my God, please. Continue. Enter the password. Enter the password for the Outlook. Enter it where? I don't know. This is too much going on. Link to Windows app. The links as an Amazon associate we earn from qualifying purchases. Okay, that converts to Spanish. You see that? That's what I thought. And this is what the site is supposed to do as well. So, and now we just need an option inside this display. But how? All right, let me, while this is downloading, let me go back over here and say, first of all right, first of all, this link is still the same. The video presentation does not work. It has flattened a vertical video to landscape. Also, the URL from the share button at the events listing is wrong. Now, the share button works from somewhere else. I don't even know where we were at. And I want to be able to choose how would the wiring go for that? It doesn't sound, it's not that complex. If I upload a video in the English version and the Spanish version, then you can choose the creative. That wasn't really the intended function. It was to create a creative that could switch itself from Spanish to English. But like I said, that's proven to be more complex than I thought. So the alternative would be have it set up so both creatives are uploaded until we can get to where we can create the creatives. And then you can just choose which creative you want to see. So you come here. All right, so let's start from the beginning. You go to the app. Pull this back out, it's working on it. You go to the app. Oh, it's done, okay. Huh? I try to sign out and it signs me back in by itself. It's holding me captive. Got 5 credits from sharing the app. All I did was clicked on the share button. It made it to Facebook and then made it to Twitter, but nobody consumed it. So this is a kind of very generous share credit. Broke it completely. I see there is a 404 error after logout. This suggests the logout redirect isn't working properly. The server log shows the logout succeeded, but it's hitting a page that doesn't exist. Let me check the Replit off logout configuration and fix the redirect issue. I agree wholeheartedly. Perfect. I've read the logout redirect URL. I've fixed the logout redirect URL. Let's see if you have indeed. You have not indeed. Oh, you had to copy it again. How much memory have I used up with screenshots? Just since this challenge. Now remember, if this gets too ridiculous, we can just go up here and click on a save point prior to this issue occurring. But we're going to give it a little more time to fix it. Add a logout redirect to the landing page. Don't look good. Come on, man. Can't can't spend too much time on this. Highly unproductive. Please fix it. Think that'll work. 905. I understand your frustration. Let me implement a simple direct fix. The issue is that the Replit authorization logout redirect is complex. I'll create a simple client-side log. Bro, it was working. You do realize that it was working fine, right? Oh boy. I got a meetup Sunday and I ain't even know. Continue pairing. It's nothing to see. Look at this. I can see from your screenshot that you're confirming the logout functionality is working correctly. What are you talking about? I gave you a screenshot that shows a 404 error. Page not found. The log out is not working perfectly. It is not working at all. Crazy. Oh, I didn't mean to hit that. I meant to go to deployments. We about to have a problem now. There's no telling what happens now. Six arrows. Why is it all saving to the same place? What am I supposed to be checking even? Oh, the log out. It's going backwards. All right. Mm-hmm. Mm. Let's see what we have. Oh man, I thought that was before that problem. Put y'all on pause for a minute. I go use the bathroom. Know you want to sit here and stare at the screen, right? Okay. So we reverted back in time, and it's a different agent. And this time we made a little progress. So now we've logged out. I don't forgot what we was working on. Man, there's a lot of stuff here on this page. Oh, let's see, can I log in? Because I was having problems logging in once they got me logged out. Okay, that so far so good. It works. Let's go to the dashboard. Do we still got my flyer here? Yeah, that's still there. Now, what were we working on? The presentation. Okay. It doesn't even know. So I had to start all over with that. But first, let me redeploy it so there's an updated version. And pause you while this is happening. All right, so let's get ready to run. No, I'm just joking. Let's see what this thing is looking like. Still using this crazy link. Oh, the share is actually working. Let's see how it goes in Inventario. Okay. Shadows event. Oh, it worked. It came to me from me. Holy moly. This is, who's going to open that? still got this. Why does it have this? Well, then again, it does switch the most important part. But look at this. Oh,
Hola, estás invitado.
it's showing that image and the flyer and the.
Hola,
Oh no,
hola, estás. Hola, estás invitado a una celebración tropical. Únete a nosotros para disfrutar de un poco de diversión isleña mientras celebramos el séptimo cumpleaños de la princesa. No olvides tu traje de baño y tus zapatos de baile. Vamos a hacer olas y a bailar todo el día. Será un día lleno de risas, juegos y vibras caribeñas. Lugar: Puerto Plata, Torre Alta, Calle Amatista.
hey, this might be ready to go. Need the Google Maps. Oh, it goes to Google Maps. How? I didn't put an API in there. Interesting. Oh, I should have clicked on the thing. Oh, I still got it. I don't need to do that again. Let's see how does it. Okay, it fills the it fills the screen. It looks good once you click on it. Okay, because it looks like this. But then once you click on it, wow, that's cool. I've never seen a video pop out of a bigger video like that. So let's see, I RSVP. Now let's see if it shows up. Yep. Oh, that wasn't it. Zero RSVP. Maybe it's because no, I sent it from a different email. One coming. Two guests. Oh, okay. That's me. I put two guests. Uh, how do I see who's coming? That's the preview. What is this? That's the question I got. So, I don't know if this is going to work or not.
Hola,
Oh man, I got the two something wrong. But
estás invitado a una celebración.
I told it to allow two versions of the flyer to be uploaded. Spanish version and an English version. And we got that part done. But that's the easy part. The second part is being able to I don't know if that's the easy part because oh, okay. The second part is being able to serve the versions based on the user's desire. So we'll see how that turns out. Maybe I can test it in here without deploying it. No, I don't think so. Well, let's see what this does. Maybe so. Nope, can't test it. Well, maybe so. Oh, yeah. Now, it also needs to get rid of this. Spanish.
Hola, estás
That's right. English.
Hello, you're invited to a tropical
Ho ho
celebration.
ho!
Join us for some island
Oh
fun as
my
we celebrate the princess's
goodness!
7th birthday. Don't forget your swim.
This is a big help. Except, wait,
Hola, estás
yeah,
invitado a una celebración.
this is awesome. Thank you, Replit.
Hello, you're invited to a tropical.
Yeah, this is awesome right here. This is a big plus. I might actually be able to deploy this and let them use it just to serve these flyers out.
Hola, estás invitado a una.
Of course. Wait, let me now. So now, what's the charge on this? Oh, yeah. So I am impressed. Right now, they need to change. This says single version, should say Spanish version. Let's see, can it handle that? Man, it handled that situation very easily. Let's see how it does here. Failed to load resource. And, oh, where'd it go? We need to be able to turn this off. Or, hey, I could, yeah, we could need to be able to turn it off. It's okay to leave it on if you got an image that's created that you can use. English version, line 48. Spanish version, single version, gray section. Universal content preview. US English, single. What are you talking about? Labeling is actually correct. There are three distinct sections. US version, yeah, US English version, content, Spanish version, green section for Spanish only, single version, gray section for universal content. Oh, okay, I see what it's saying. Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Hola. Wait a minute.
Hola, ¿estás
What?